This ugly bastard Raj. This ugly bastard Kish. I'm gonna watch this piece of shit. I'm the pretty bastard. Yeah, I know. I gotta do the, you know, the before and after. It'll probably still be the same the right day wash. All his idea.
There's nothing in this thing. Give it to me.
Ah yes, good lad. That's good for me. Hey Emma, this way.
Oh yeah, daily on. Pal, get the day in. Touch her now.
It's fucking the days for the house, man.
Is that going to go straight onto YouTube? I'm cheap medium.
Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, more people turned up. This shit going on YouTube, mate. Hey, freak. I saw you washing it in that.
No, I'm fucking on giving me a shirt.
Sit on that.
In the back now. Put on the hand away.
They want them all on there.
Fuck it, you are sick, aren't you? Don't throw it. Okay, back. Next one.
Oh, sorry.
Louis, over there.
No, I need more. This one. You take this one.
Come on. Oh, watch out, guys. That's it. Done. That's me. Clean up, go. Hey, just take a picture of them two, man.